Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jakara. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a much needed cleaning of my walk-in closet. As you can see, it is pure chaos. So if you need some cleaning motivation, this is the video for you. Just keep on watching.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
So the past couple of months I've spent traveling, and I have a couple suitcases that I've just never not unpacked. And so in addition to all the dirty clothes that I've on the floor, I have a lot of things to organize and put away and clean. And so the first thing I like to do when I get started is I like to put things in categories. So as you can see, I'm picking up shoes. I like to put dirty clothes together, and then clean clothes that I need to hang up together. So the first task is just me sorting everything into light piles: shoes, clothes, paper, garbage. Try to get it all sorted out first, and then we start putting things away. So this is one of two suitcases that I had from two separate trips that I hadn't unpacked. And I like to use packing cubes. Let me know down below if that's how you pack for your trips. I think it's just easier to organize things with a packing cube, and it fits into the suitcase a lot better than just kind of cramming clothes that are rolled up or balled up. Let me know about down below if you use packing cubes too. Once I get all the dirty clothes sorted, then I just go ahead and put the sorted piles into the hamper. I like to sort them before I put them into the hamper. I don't know why that is. I guess because as I'm doing laundry, I can just grab the next sorted pile that's on top of the other pile. Yeah, don't ask me why I do it this way. It just makes sense to me. I sorted it on the floor, and then once I got the piles together, I put them in their respective piles on top of each other, so it's easier to do laundry. Go figure. right, so now that I've kind of made a path for me to be able to walk, I can't walk this way because I'm still doing, I'm doing laundry. So this is the next pile to go into the laundry. The rest of it I put in the hamper. And this area over here is where all my clean clothes from the last time I did laundry. Did not put them away. I did fold some things, but I never put anything away. So I'm gonna get to putting away things, especially anything that needs to be hung up. Anything that needs to be hung up usually goes up here on, excuse my dry hands, you guys. I'm so dry at this time of the year, but if I put lotion on, it's just gonna get dry again, especially handling all these clothes. But anyway, anything that needs to be hung up gets put up here. So I'm going to start up here with the clothes. And then the other place I hang things that need to be, or I put things that need to be hung, are on this chair. So I'm going to work on that. And then I'll get to the things that need to be folded and put away. So yeah, laundry is just never ending.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I are so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to.
Okay, I got everything up. Now this is a basket of stuff that I wanted to donate. So I'm going to take this stuff to the car. I think there's some clean laundry underneath here. Not 100% sure, but I'm going to take this to the car and see what's under here. And then after that, I start to clean the surfaces, mainly my vanity and my island here. So let me get to it.
Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two.
And the last thing I like to do before I call it quits is I like to vacuum the rug. I like that the rug matches my kittens. It's so funny that they kind of blend in. The kitten was playing with the vacuum here and kind of playing hide and seek with it. And here she is. is in all her glory. She's clean, she's organized for the most part, and I can walk around and get dressed easily. I can see all of my things, and I can appreciate everything that I have. I think I've created a beautiful space for myself, a place to get ready in the morning and to get undressed in the evening. And yeah, I love when everything's nice and clean and organized. I did decide to take the bifold doors off the closet because this is my coat closet, and the doors were kind of in the way and causing issues. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you would love to see more videos like this, or DIYs or home makeovers, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Until I see you next time, take care.